Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for my first 1000 subscribers. I cannot tell you how grateful I am. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if this is your first time clicking on any of my videos, then welcome guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Today I'm going to show you how I transformed few Dollar Tree items into some gorgeous fall decor. Not all of them, but most of the items are from Dollar Tree. Although this ceramic white pumpkin was from Goodwill, I spent around $2 for this. This is going to be my first project. For my first project, I already had this Waverly chalk paint from Walmart, which I used for my previous project. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this paint with a foam brush. This color is celery, if you are wondering. Chalk paints are very forgiving and you can use them on almost every surface. I chose this color because it will give the pumpkin a classy vintage look. I don't want to cover up the whole pumpkin with this color because this celery color goes well with white and the original white is pretty nice. After a few coats, I'm gonna let it dry and then I will use a different color for the stock. I chose this metallic 658E antique gold, which I bought from Walmart. I'm gonna pour a little paint out of the container and use a little flat-headed paintbrush for this job. It does not look too gold in the camera, rather it kind of looks like dark yellow, but it is actually gold, and the more it dries up, more it turns out antique gold. I'm also going to go ahead and color the inner teeth gold as well. You don't want to do this tape if you were planning to put a real candle inside. In my second project, I took out the stalk of the Dollar Tree pumpkin and put it aside. Then I'm going to take a blade knife and cut through the line. Trust me, I'm horrible at working with styrofoam. I can never cut it right, but these Dollar Tree pumpkins are already has a line to follow, and they actually have two parts attached, so it was pretty easy to separate them. I bought this photo frame from Goodwill a while ago and spent only $4 for that. I'm gonna use it for this project. First I was planning to use both parts, then I realized it will look a little overdone maybe, plus I will not have enough place left to decorate. So I chose only one instead, and preferably a little lower in the frame. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and paint one part white using this Color Place Grab and Go white paint, and also painted a whole pumpkin white for a different project. The frame was already white, but I went ahead and painted them too, just to get a similar white shade. I already had these maple leaves from Dollar Tree and I decided to paint them silver. I used this spray paint from Walmart. For this project, I'm going to use this Thumbstacks foam board pins from Walmart, and also these lips I just painted. I'm going to go ahead and follow the lines, and then I'm going to stick one pin at a time like this. I'm using this whole pumpkin to show you how I did for the half one. My camera went off during the filming, so I have to do it in separate pumpkin to demonstrate how I did it. Really sorry about that, but you got the point. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish all the lines. We may need to readjust the pins if the gap between two is not similar as the previous one. When I'm done with the lines, I'm gonna go ahead and cover both sides as well so that it looks complete. Now I took the glass out of the photo frame and I'm gonna go ahead and write thankful with the same metallic paint. I'm using a small paintbrush for this. After the writing is done, I'm gonna attach two gemstones using hot glue. I also bought a square mirror from Dollar Tree and I'm gonna hot glue some gemstones on it too. I glued 5 rectangular gemstones on the upper edge of the mirror. I think the shape of the gemstones complement the square mirror. Now I attach the mirror just below the thankful sign, and then I'm gonna go ahead and attach the half pumpkin along with 2 painted lips. I used E6000 glue for this, so I will just let it dry overnight. Meanwhile, I sprayed 3 pumpkins gold for a different project. I have plenty of pine cones in our garden. It's free for me. I just gonna take few of them and paint them gold. Remember the whole pumpkin I painted white? Well, it's dry now and I also painted its stalk gold. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue the stalk and also few leafy like gemstones just around the stalk. I'm also going to attach a painted leaf. Now you can get a better view. I bought this adhesive gemstones from Walmart. They came with 3 different sizes. Now I'm just placing them one by one, and I started just after the leafy stones. I'm gonna go ahead and use all 3 different sizes to cover up the gap. Now I am almost done and it already looking nice. I don't want it to look like it just ended abruptly, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue some longer gemstones vertically. So this is the final look, guys. I think it came out really gorgeous. If you like a little bling bling in your house, then this is perfect for you. Now I'm going to show you how I arrange them to display. It amazed me how I could play with the arrangement and come up with new looks. To make a stand for my design, I took a Dollar Tree candle holder and spray painted it coral, and for the base I used a black candle plate which I had for a long time. I glued them together and it was ready to display. For my last project, I bought an artificial plant from IKEA and hot glued some jute rope I bought from Walmart. It is relatively pretty easy DIY and it will give you that farmhouse look everyone is crazy about nowadays. I really hope you like this tutorial and it will inspire you for some DIYs. So this is it for today, guys. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and let me know. Please like and share this video if you like this idea. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. I will come back with some more DIYs in my next video. So till then, stay well. Bye.